Hello everyone, good morning. Come back with me, Aida, and this is my vlog for today. Get, uh, I just breakfast because morning person, so I just breakfast so early. Yeah, every day I still so early to breakfast because lunch. The reason is I was sick so long, 1 month, and the reason why I'm sick so long because I'm not like to breakfast so early at night. My stomach is hurt. Mm, I'm going to hospital go to knowing my problem, and yeah, doctor want me to uh, stay in hospital, and from I really not like to breakfast, and then yeah, until now I'm really trauma uh, when I'm not going to breakfast early. 1 month I'm not going to school, just stay in hospital, and I can't walk again, and I'm learn to walk again after this. Yeah, and I can't jump. This is the first experience me sick. I really remember when I go in school again. I just slowly to walking because I was learn to walking again and forget to walk because I'm every day in hospital just sleep. It's not have energy for walking. That's why just when I elementary school in three grade or two, yeah, two grade in elementary school. So long time ago, before I go to North Lombok to move place and move my school. Yeah, I think this is me when I was so really cute, and I'm not have happy experience for the past. I make my parents so worry when I sick because my condition is really bad at the time. Look like not have like what what in English. You know, I when this time I feel like so don't have life change too. That's why it's so hard to my parents and worry. But yeah, I know my God still want me to live, so until now I still in here with my parents. Yeah, for the first time and when I child, I'm really struggling. I think so many challenges in my life too. First, I'm in the world, and yeah, and make my parents worry. I feel so sorry for my parents. Guys, this is the little story for from me. From I don't want to breakfast early morning, so this is this motivation to remembering you guys. To whoever, I mean, who are you able? This is deciding to just stay healthy for your life because life is so life is short. This one you live in the world, so just stay safe, stay healthy. What else? Maybe we can continue our topic. Today I just ate just after um breakfast sticky rice maybe. The name is sticky rice again. Yeah, or sticky coconut. It's more delicious than salt. The taste is this food. My mom always buy me in the morning for this food. Last night I have a talk with my friend about life. Wow, she's so mature. She's so mature because she's corporate, but I don't really trust any zodiac. But yeah, so mature, and I catch up her question. I catch up her quotes like so many quotes. I feel like calm after listen her. You want guys? I wanna spill for you. This is what I mean sticky rice. But no. Wait. I want to tell you my routine is drink warm water every morning. This really made me better. But before, that I'm really never to drink warm water. When I said right school, I'm lazy to drink warm water. I don't know why. Cause yeah, maybe my emotions not stable. So that's why I'm not thinking about this. And now I know, and I just drink warm water again. This is me again. Guys, see, are you bored to see my video? But I'm not bored to speak English. Okay, I want to see. Today is still 7 o'clock. So long, still long for upload video. Guys, look at this. And when we want to playing game, is we use this. But I'm not take a bath yet. So sorry. But I'm 40%, right? This is the point of me. My friend asked me to go to beach for see sunrise, but I don't want to go. And my friend said one going to um Salong village again or Salong city, going to like support my friend to make a assignment. But me, my just little again is not make assignment. This is the subject is inter entrepreneurship, like making food like me. uh, she, they want to make a food and just for sale, so they want go at weekend and just for weekend. So my friend asked me go to, but I have so many excitement. You know, the one my friend is not going to come with my team. I don't know why, and we really confused to find each other because so many people there, and we make a traditional food here, as you know. Last week, yeah, we really enjoy this to make a video like vlog. What about my event? What about our event, guys? My question is, we still make a vlog? But so overwhelmed. I think so overwhelmed to make a vlog and doing event. Okay, never mind. Just close this video. Bye bye.